it's OhioJimbo. We've got a lot of fun songs, some campfire songs that'll just keep you rolling through all the seasons where you're sitting out around a campfire playing some fun songs. And I'm going to show you a bunch of 3-chord songs that are just spectacular. You're going to love them. Everybody loves to sing along with these, and these are really cool classics too. So this is one that's going to be in A, E, and D. So now a previous one I just did was in A, D, and E. Same thing, this is just going to be a different progression, and it's a really cool song. But I do have to tell you, I was kind of bumped for a copyright issue, and it's all by, I don't look at myself as a singer and barely a guitarist, but somehow I got close enough to one of the songs that there was a claim on the music. So I have all the respect in the world for the artists that actually wrote the lyrics, developed the melody, and then performed the songs. So I'm just here to show you how I play them and how to have fun with it. So I hope, but I'll tell you what, I'll do this one to show you all the chords, and I'll walk you through what these lyrics will be coming into them, but I won't sing them. That'll be another video. The next video will be all the songs sung, and then if there is a copyright issue, they can block it. But it really sucks when you're watching a video and then the audio gets cut out, because in a lot of countries, certain songs are not allowed or not permitted, or there's copyright infringement. So anyway, I'm gonna show you this little ditty, and it's a little ditty about Jack and Diane. So whether you call him John Cougar Mellencamp, this song is really a cool one because it's just the heart of Americana. It really is. You just kind of, when you sing it, you feel like you've been there, some way, shape, or form. But it's so cool because it's only an A, an E, a variation of an E, and then a D. So that's all it is. An A, an E, a D, and an E. Now, once again, I'm not going to sing this because I'll probably get it blocked, but it is a little ditty about Jack and Diane. 2 married kids growing up in the heartland. Jackie gonna be a football star. The Diane debutante backseat of Jackie's car. And then it's, oh yeah, life goes on. Long after the thrill of living is gone. So I have to sing that in order to make that work, but I'm telling you, I want to show you these chords because this is the most important part of the song. When you start playing it, it's A, and then it's going to go to E, and then back to A, and then back to E, and then back to A. But I'm going to show you where your fingers go, because you're going to start in that A, and you can actually slide your fingers down to the E, and come back to the A without doing a full E. You see, you just take these fingers, Did you hear it? Yeah, I know you heard the song. Now the lyrics in there, so again, we won't sing on this one. This one we'll just play it through. But I want you to see that when you go through the chords, you can take that A and go to an E and back to an A. So we'll do a full E here. Now that's all downstrokes. So if you see us, and I bring up a couple ups at the end there. So I'm doing it this way to an E, back to an A, back to an E, back to an A, back to an E, and then D. You can actually take that A, and I just said this, and just slide your finger down 1 fret. Now that's if you don't want to do the full chords. So if you go, that's the beginning of the whole song. And if you can get that part down, people will recognize it. Now that's not how it was written. That's not how the chords are actually done on it. That's just how I do it. And it's just enough to sound like the song, so someone will go, okay, cool, I get it. And that's all you really need to do is, so I'm breaking down all those leads and fragments of chords and stuff, and I'm just simply doing these simple chords and making it So now you got the intro. Here's the rest of the song. So it goes with Little Ditty by Jack and Diane. Now you hear that, and then there's a part that goes into the "Oh, let it rock, let it roll, let the Bible belt come in and take my soul." So when you're coming out of A, it goes into D. So I'm going to go right into the D at the end of this, but let's go through this first. You can beat your guitars, you're singing that song out, that part about the Bible belt and all that fun stuff. Again, I'm not singing it so that we can kind of get this song through and not get an issue with any type of copyright infringements. And then you kind of end it with a little bit of a strumming. Yeah. Now that is a cool song. It's a great campfire song, that Little Ditty by John Mellencamp, John Mellencamp, whoever you want to call him. Thank you, John, for writing that song and for putting it out there, and all the writers and performers and everybody that did that song. So I wanted you to see that chord progression. Now in the next video, we'll go through the whole song and I'll just sing through it and you'll be able to jam along with me. So until then, this is OhioJimbo. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.